Hi, my name is Mac. I'm a representative of Casio. So it's James Ralph Casio. So we're the sole distributors of Casio products in the Southern Africa region. Well, the role Casio is going to play in changing the face of STEAMI is that we will be part of it, part of the change. We'll be empowering and encouraging learners throughout our free calculator workshops that we host for kids and the teachers. So, like it says, it takes a village to raise a child. So, we are happy to be part of that group. STEAMI helps learners here that come to the exhibition to learn more about what's out there in the real world. I guess it will be paving a way. So the current generation will be paving a way for the next one, as it's been throughout history with all types of generations. The impact that Sasol is having by hosting such events every year is that it gives opportunities to different learners from different backgrounds to experience vast options of careers. It plays a key role. Would say it's the backbone of it. So without it, it won't happen.